Greetings to all. Welcome back to the course on Introduction to Electric Vehicles. So in this video, we'll be learning about the global EV market survey. So the global EV market survey is valued at 163 billion in 2020, and it is expected to grow around 7 to 8% and at 823 billion by 2033. And this is a growth of around 18% yearly. So half of the EVs which are being sold in worldwide come from the China. And if we compare three countries, China, US and the European market or the European Union, the 80% sales were concentrated to these three areas. If you see that these three countries are this China, Europe and United States. What is interesting in this data is that the California, which is a state in USA, is also coming at 5th number. So here here if you compare to India, in India that in 2020 the EV sales was very near to zero. You can say it was very less. So what is accounting for the EV sales? Is it the battery electric vehicle? Is it the PHEV? Is it the hybrid electric vehicle? So this data tells us that in 2020 for 2014 the EV penetration was just 0.4% and it increased exponentially, and around 2023 we can see that the 70% of the vehicle are battery electric vehicle and the rest around 29% is the PHEV or HEV. You can say plug-in hybrid vehicle or the hybrid electric vehicle. So both falls in the category of hybrid vehicles. So the percentage of hybrid vehicle is only 30% and 70% selling is of the battery based electric vehicles, which is made by Tesla. One of the example is Tesla. So Tesla makes a pure battery electric vehicles. So this is a combination of both the PHEV and the BEV. So this is what we can understand, that these are the trends which are going, and by 2024 it might cross this 15% of penetration. So this is the percentage of light vehicle compared to the IC engine. So out of 100, 15 vehicles are still electric vehicle. So this is way less than that 40% which we knew in the early 20th century of 1910 to 1920. So which are the global players which are being dominating the market? So number one, when we talk about electric vehicle, the name which comes in our mind is Tesla. So Tesla was one of the initial company which made battery electric vehicle, but currently BYD of China is leading the race and it is selling almost, the number of vehicle it is selling is huge. It is selling a very high number of nearly 1 million vehicle it is selling, and at third it is BMW, then another Chinese company. So there are multiple Chinese company which are leading the race. So you can see here BYD, this is second Chinese company, and here comes the third, which is GM. This is MG only. This company is third company, and there's another company LI Auto. This is also fourth. So you can see here that 4 Chinese company are dominating the top 10 electric vehicle players in world, and this is completely for the complete world players. These are the world level players. So which market EV or BYD is dominating? So you can see here that when we come about the North America, where the EV penetration is 10%, here the Tesla dominates the market. In Europe also, the Tesla is a significant player, where Volkswagen and Mercedes are also prominent players. In Latin America also, the Chery company and BYD are leading, and here Tesla is not dominating. In Central Asia also BYD is leading. In South Asia also BYD is having a huge share of 40%, and in mainland China the BYD is having 35% of market share, where Tesla is coming second at 10% market share. So here you can see that BYD is more of a global company as compared to Tesla when it's come to the penetration and the area which it is covering. So these are the sales for the half yearly of 2022, and these are the sales for half yearly for 2023, and here it is a growth of 49%. So year on year growth is 50% around for the electric vehicle market. So what are the future targets which are being set by the Department of Energy in the USA? So these are the targets which in USA the company in the department is setting. So it is this data is older data, that 2017 the penetration was 5%. It is currently at 15% in USA, the electric vehicle penetration. The target of 10%, 35% by 2025 and 2040. So this target has already been achieved of 10% penetration by 2025 and 35% penetration by 2040. So the total electric vehicle of the total vehicles will be 35%. These are the some targets for the components. So components will be that the per kilowatt cost should be $6 for 100 kilowatt. So these are the targets, which is currently at $8 to $10. The power density should be at 33 kilowatt per liter, and this is a very high standards or the very high target, 33 kilowatt per liter in case of the motor powertrain. Reliability should be 5 lakh kilometer lifetime and more than 300 kilometer range per charging. Per charging, the range should be 300 kilometer plus, and the total battery life should be 5 lakh kilometer. And there should be a DC fast charging which is up to 350 kilowatt and which can bring down the charging time less than the 15 minutes. This 15 minute is very crucial because a person can give is more conveniently able to give 15 minutes when it's come to charging an EV. So this is all about the future targets and the global EV scenario currently. So in next video we'll be seeing that what is the scenario in India and which companies are leading the EV race in India. So thank you for watching this video.